Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on. Very carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You know what go? I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. What you mean? Yo, hey, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me now, no? Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. First and foremost, Gaza Nation. Regular when you hear me repeat them same exact word. I'm tired to tell the man them. Say 10 Star is not a blogger. Otherwise, you would see me use the thumbnail. You would see me a post up video and I show the artists them, and we would see me there on YouTube with all 3-4 videos every day. You see what I deal with? No. I take on the hardest shit on YouTube. You see me? My revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. And let me tell you something, every time I turn on my camera, you have to see. Because me are the star on 10 Star TV. You hear that? Yeah, man. If I know me, you look on the people them on the street. Because some do it, I take it on to the street and all the shit I take on. You know what I mean? I don't take on nothing fancy, nothing fandankles, because nothing about dancehall not fancy. Dancehall a hardcore thing, ratchet shit. You see what I deal with? I don't know gimmicks thing, I don't know lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Someone who know oh you have the MVP supporters them, or even the blogger them, are running a man comment box with them look bogus channel, and I run a come a chat up on the mouth and I tell me this and I tell me that. Who not tell me say popcorn a pussy. Man I tell me say breaking news, vybz Kartel inform on how much man and this and that and where. I wonder if a company look just because Mr. Baker claim say him expose more than alkaline. It look like a some form of company look. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something, yo. 10 Star in the lollipop thing you want to deal with, you know. Because phone thing a total gimmicks thing, you know, to what I deal with, you know. Because in the first and foremost, you see all our haters all over each up all over the place. Let me tell you something, you know. vybz Kartel already get 35 years, you know. And them cut off 2.5 years of fight, you know. What do you think? You can go put more on it? Eh? Yo, almost a decade now since vybz Kartel there in a prison, you know. Where the Ross here come and tell me about inform for man and where. Where vybz Kartel there for inform for people? A prison vybz Kartel, you know, my brother. Yo, are the same thing, you know. You have boy, you know. Use auto-tune, you know. And they're behind mic, you know, and thing, you know. And claim, you know, I call up Tommy Spot and name and I call up the people them name, you know. You know what I mean? You know, it's nothing more than some set of clown, you know. Yeah, you know, a big top clown. I don't even know what you feel like you know do. What you think you know do. What you go achieve. Like, what go happen. So all the things you want to rise up on them shit there. What you feel like? When you rise them up, the people them are going to say, alright, vybz Kartel, hold 30 more here from where you get. Eh? You know, some illiterate clowns, man. And I don't know what you do. I represent for Gaza. I don't know what you do over my channel. I don't go talk no fancy food, never ever, my brother. A Gaza I represent for. You see what I deal with? I defend Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. A revolution thing I deal with. I don't deal with blogging thing. It come like you don't see me not easy. A high grade my smoke and not beat it. You don't believe me? What am I doing now? Eh? Want me to know? Eh? I saw one now no boy. See vybz cartel. Baby mother in the day, I know. Up man in the road, you know. Run up on the girl, you know. And what she do? She squeeze necessary equipment. Right now, I forgot doing the research to find out the load explosion we're going up there. And not illegal stuff, illegal shit. She squeeze necessary equipment. A beer smoke from her smoke, a beer fire from her smoke iron. Wanna feel like? Remember, you know, the master of ceremony, you know. She have to deal with, you know, the world boss himself, you know. You don't think him teach her properly? Eh? You don't think him teach her how to execute in a Gaza way? There ain't no other way? Eh? You think we don't know we're not going to see the people them and try to run up and through them are all ladies who don't feel like say we don't can run up and use manpower upon them? Hmm? Giant power she sit down upon, man. Nothing but fireball, man. You know what I mean? Underneath boy Ross, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I saw it go, man. So next time, you know, next one I only, you know, have that slight idea now, no mind, you know, think twice. You hear that? This is what I deal with. Yeah, man. Because she use her fire stick and burn, you know, hot with it. And you know, gimmicks business. This is what I deal with. Yeah. I saw Gaza people stay. You know what I mean? And when I look trouble, I saw it go. What Lola wants is what she get. So you know, go around and look trouble with people. And look for people where they ever so no. You know what I mean? Just like I look a man, I run in and the man tell me, say popcorn a pussy. You must know. You must know what underneath popcorn food. I want to know where you come tell me that for. You know what I mean? Before you come tell me that about popcorn, bend down and look underneath your blood clot foot and see what underneath there. You see what I deal with? Because if you are come and tell me that about a next man, I don't know where the fuck you have underneath your foot. Because I don't know where you stay and know where the man have underneath him foot. You see what I deal with? I don't deal with lollipop thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Popcorn don't know you, you know, youth. A vibes you have against the youth, you know. For whatever reason you want to have, you know, that's not my business, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. Because nobody believe, you know. Say, you know, when I come off of the camera, you know, I still think about this shit, you know. No, dog. I come off of the camera and I live superb. You see what I deal with? I don't know gimmicks business. You know what I mean? Superb thing. Yeah. And that's why I push out the work field. I'm going in my house, a total different thing. I be a press button thing. I don't know gimmicks business. You see what I deal with? I do that by myself. Enough out there they are chat. One for do. Find different place and go. Start over on the life. Do that by yourself. And then chat to me. I don't talk about sit down and depend on no girl. No, them things there. This is what I do, and suck out no girl crutches. Forget where you want. You know what I mean? Or your body burn you. Forget where you want. Do that by yourself. You know what I mean? With your ability. Before you can come chat to me. Because right now, you know, my sister flap on herself, you know. When you rise against Gaza and each ear come around, when you try your best to use on the mouth to beat down Gaza, all you get a be a flap. Because right now I see popcorn project where I put out, you know. You see on the man cover art, eh? I call it be there on it, you know. Make mill, you know. You know what I mean? I mean hear Jake there on it too, you know. Me hear the world boss there on it too, you know. What a bumbo and all them something that drop in, man. You're not art supposed to heat out, clean. You're not supposed to have nothing left in it. Eh? Bad mind I will kill you, you know. Especially that area, you know. You can imagine when you know here said the World Boss album nominated for Grammy. What? Some boy supposed to have heart attack thing. I remember a boy, you know, they run up on social media, you know, and I chat up his mouth, you know, say, you know, if, you know, that get Grammy nominated, you know, I even get Grammy, you know, him stop the YouTube, you know. I must have dead him one blood clot dead for hungry. I think you can tell 10 star that. We don't have no ability different. What kind of special ability we don't have different? We don't have style, we don't have flavor. All I know what chat up with no more. Try this way me I do. Try this way me I do. Don't use no fancy thing and show no man picture, no artist picture, no artist work. Just try this way me I do. You know what I mean? Bring on the intensity to the people. Them. Show the people them how tough and creative you know is. Show the people them how much argument you have in our mouth. Show the people them something where them can understand and know what they say and can agree with you and sell a show. When I feel like 10 star lollipop youth, I not deal with nothing easy. Because I grade my smoke and I not bun BD. You hear that? General the 10 star wanna represent. What? Loud explosion. Oh.